unveiling Lake Chad's secrets and wonders. Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of Lake Chad, a unique and vital water body nestled in the heart of Africa. This remarkable lake, a true oasis in the vast Sahel region, holds secrets and wonders waiting to be unveiled. Spanning across Chad, Niger, Nigeria and Cameroon, Lake Chad is full of surprises and incredible facts. From its fluctuating size to its rich biodiversity and cultural significance, Lake Chad offers a glimpse into the delicate balance of nature and human interaction. Join us as we embark on a journey to uncover the hidden gems of this extraordinary lake. Lake Chad is situated at the crossroads of four African nations: Chad, Niger, Nigeria and Cameroon. It lies at the southern edge of the Sahara Desert, a sprawling expanse of arid plains and shifting sand dunes. This unique location makes Lake Chad a lifeline for both people and wildlife. Imagine a vast, shallow basin catching the precious rainwater that falls during the brief, intense rainy season. This is Lake Chad, a shallow endorheic lake, meaning it has no outflow to other rivers or oceans. Its waters, fed by seasonal rivers and streams, sustain life in a region where water is more precious than gold. The Chari River, its main tributary, flows from the south, carrying with it the lifeblood of the region. The lake's shores are a tapestry of diverse ecosystems, from desert sand dunes to grasslands and savannas. This is the domain of grazing animals, drawn to the lake's promise of water and life. Lake Chad whispers tales of ancient civilizations and empires long gone. This region has borne witness to the rise and fall of powerful kingdoms, their stories etched in the very fabric of the land. Imagine, centuries ago, the bustling trading posts of the Kanem-Bornu Empire, their markets overflowing with exotic goods from across the Sahara. This powerful empire relied on Lake Chad as a vital waterway for trade and transportation. The South civilization, shrouded in mystery and legend, once thrived along the shores of Lake Chad. Archaeological evidence hints at a sophisticated culture, skilled in ironworking and pottery, their lives intertwined with the rhythms of the lake. Archaeologists continue to unearth artifacts, each discovery providing a glimpse into the rich tapestry of human history that unfolded along the shores of Lake Chad. Lake Chad is a lake that breathes, its size fluctuating dramatically with the seasons and over the decades. This natural ebb and flow has shaped the lives of the people and wildlife that depend on it. During the rainy season, the lake swells, its waters spreading out like a giant, life-giving hand. But as the dry season descends, the lake begins to shrink, its waters receding like a retreating tide. This natural fluctuation, while essential to the lake's ecosystem, has become more extreme in recent decades. Human activities, coupled with climate change, have put immense pressure on Lake Chad, leading to a dramatic decline in its size. The shrinking lake is a stark reminder of the delicate balance of nature and the urgent need for sustainable practices. Despite its harsh and fluctuating environment, Lake Chad supports a remarkable diversity of life. It is an oasis in the Sahel, a haven for a myriad of creatures, from microscopic organisms to large mammals. Imagine the lake's depths, teeming with fish, their scales shimmering silver in the sunlight. Over 150 different species of fish call Lake Chad home, including the Nile perch. Above the surface, flocks of birds fill the air, their calls a symphony of life. Hippopotamuses graze on aquatic plants, their snorts and grunts echoing across the water. Along the lake's shores, elephants roam, their trunks reaching for the tender leaves of acacia trees. Preserving this delicate ecosystem is crucial, not only for the species that call it home, but for the millions of people who depend on its resources. Lake Chad is more than just a body of water. It is a lifeline for millions of people living in the surrounding region. For generations, communities have depended on the lake for their livelihoods, their cultures intertwined with its rhythms. Imagine the fishermen setting out on the lake in their wooden canoes, their nets cast wide, hoping for a bountiful catch. Fish from Lake Chad is a vital source of protein and income for countless families. Farmers rely on its waters to irrigate their crops. Livestock herders depend on its waters to quench their animals' thirst. The lake's resources provide sustenance, employment, and a way of life for millions. However, the shrinking of Lake Chad in recent decades has placed immense pressure on these communities. The need for sustainable management of the lake's resources has never been greater. For centuries, the shores of Lake Chad have been a melting pot of cultures, their traditions and beliefs shaped by the ebb and flow of the lake's waters. The lake is woven into the very fabric of their cultural identity. Imagine the vibrant colors of traditional clothing reflecting the hues of the lake and the surrounding landscape. Music and dance, often inspired by the rhythms of the lake, are an integral part of their cultural expression. Storytelling keeps alive the myths, legends, and history of the people of Lake Chad. Rituals and ceremonies reflect their deep respect for the lake and its power. The cultural diversity of the Lake Chad region is a testament to the enduring human spirit. Preserving the lake is not just about protecting biodiversity, it's about safeguarding the cultural heritage of millions of people. Lake Chad, once a vast inland sea, is facing unprecedented environmental challenges. Its once abundant waters have receded dramatically, its shores shrinking, its future uncertain. Climate change, with its erratic rainfall patterns and increasing temperatures, bears a heavy responsibility. The delicate balance of the lake's ecosystem has been disrupted. Human activities, driven by the need to survive in an increasingly challenging environment, have also taken their toll. Overgrazing, deforestation, and unsustainable irrigation practices have further strained the lake's resources. The consequences of inaction are dire. The shrinking of Lake Chad threatens not only the unique biodiversity it harbors, but also the livelihoods and cultural heritage of the millions who call this region home. The need for sustainable management of the lake's resources has never been greater. Despite the daunting challenges facing Lake Chad, there is hope. Across the region, a growing movement of individuals, communities, and organizations are working tirelessly to protect and restore this vital ecosystem. Their efforts, like ripples spreading across the water, are making a difference. Imagine dedicated conservationists working to raise awareness about the plight of the lake. They educate local communities about sustainable practices, empowering them to become stewards of their environment. Innovative solutions are being implemented to combat the effects of climate change and human activity. Water management projects offer a glimmer of hope for the future. Local communities are reviving traditional knowledge, implementing sustainable fishing practices, and planting trees to combat desertification. International organizations are providing support and expertise. They fund research, implement conservation projects, and advocate for policies that promote the sustainable management of the lake's resources. For centuries, the mysteries of Lake Chad have inspired a rich tapestry of myths and legends. Passed down through generations, these stories offer a glimpse into the cultural beliefs and deep connection between the people and the lake. Imagine the elders, sharing tales of a time when the lake was said to be home to mystical creatures. One legend tells of a powerful water spirit, a protector of the lake and its inhabitants. Another tale speaks of a hidden city submerged beneath the lake's waters. These myths and legends serve as a reminder of the delicate balance between humanity and the environment. As we delve into the scientific realities of Lake Chad, it's important to remember the power of these stories. They remind us that the lake is more than just a body of water. It is a place of cultural significance, a source of inspiration, and a vital part of the region's soul. The future of Lake Chad hangs in the balance, a stark reminder of the interconnectedness of our planet and the urgent need for collective action. The fate of millions of people, the survival of unique ecosystems, and the preservation of cultural heritage are all intertwined with the fate of this shrinking lake. Imagine a future where Lake Chad, once again a vibrant and thriving ecosystem, flourishes, its waters replenished, its shores teeming with life. Sustainable water management practices can help to conserve the lake's precious resources and ensure equitable distribution among the countries that share its waters. Investing in climate-resilient agriculture can empower local communities to adapt to the changing environment and build sustainable livelihoods. Empowering local communities, providing them with a voice in decision-making processes, is crucial for the long-term success of conservation efforts. The future of Lake Chad is a shared responsibility, a global challenge that demands our attention. By working together, we can ensure that this vital ecosystem continues to provide sustenance, inspire wonder, and connect cultures for generations to come. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed learning about Lake Chad, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more fascinating facts about our world. Lake Chad's story is a powerful reminder of the delicate balance of nature and the impact of human activities on our planet. It's a call to action for all of us to become more aware of our own environmental footprint and to support efforts to protect and preserve our planet's precious resources. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Let's work together to create a future where both people and nature can thrive.